The new Edge 1030 Plus has the ability to help you from plan to performance. With new daily suggested workouts, the device can help you provide insights into what to do next to continue to improve your training and VO2 max and balance your daily workouts. In order for your Edge 1030 Plus to give you daily suggested workouts, you need to use a power meter and a heart rate monitor. To start, select Training, Workouts, and then Daily Workouts. To activate the daily suggested workouts, you will need to have a training status and recent VO2 max estimation. You will need to ride for 1 week with a power meter and heart rate monitor to get daily suggested workout recommendations. Once you have a week of riding with a heart rate monitor and power meter, the daily suggested workout will appear upon startup of your Garmin Edge device. Tap Review Workout and scroll to review the steps of your workout. Then tap Ride. Now press the Start button to start your ride. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.